if you're experiencing billing issues on Etsy, it's important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Follow these steps to resolve your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Review your billing information. Check your Etsy account settings to ensure that your billing information, including your payment method and address, is accurate and up to date. This can help prevent any discrepancies. Step 2. Check for pending transactions. Look for any pending transactions in your account. Sometimes, billing issues arise from transactions that are still processing. Make sure all transactions are completed and confirm the status. Step 3. Contact Etsy support. If you still have billing issues after reviewing your information, reach out to Etsy support. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you've received. Step 4. Monitor your email. Keep an eye on your email for any communications from Etsy regarding your billing issue. They may require additional information or provide updates about the resolution process. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response from Etsy support within a reasonable time frame, follow up with them. Persistence can help ensure that your issue is addressed in a timely manner. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems on Etsy effectively. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed, as customer support is there to assist you.